Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending your weekend scrubbing and cleaning? Do you wish there was a faster, easier way to get that sparkling clean home you love? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 genius cleaning hacks that will completely change your routine, saving you time, effort, and even money. Let's get started and make cleaning satisfying again. First up, let's tackle those grimy microwave splatters. Forget endless scrubbing. Simply fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, add a few slices of lemon, and microwave it on high for about 3 minutes. Let it stand for another 5 minutes without opening the door. The steam will loosen all the caked-on food, allowing you to wipe it away effortlessly with a single cloth. It's that easy, and your microwave will smell amazing. Next, let's bring the shine back to your stainless steel appliances. The secret weapon? A little bit of baby oil. After you've cleaned your fridge or dishwasher with your usual cleaner, put a few drops of baby oil on a microfiber cloth and buff the surface in the direction of the grain. This will erase fingerprints and smudges, leaving a streak-free, brilliant shine that lasts. Are your shower heads clogged with mineral buildup, ruining your water pressure? Here's a hands-free solution. Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar. Place it over the shower head so it's fully submerged, and secure it with a rubber band. Let it soak for a few hours, or overnight for heavy buildup. When you remove the bag, the deposits will be gone, and your shower will run like new. Now for those stubborn carpet stains. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, try this. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts water in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the stain, then place a damp, clean cloth over it. Now, grab your iron, set it to the steam setting, and iron over the cloth for about 30 seconds. Lift it up, and watch the stain magically transfer from the carpet to the cloth. Let's head to the kitchen. Greasy cabinet doors are no match for this simple trick. Mix equal parts of vegetable oil and baking soda to form a paste. Use a soft brush or your fingers to gently rub this paste onto the greasy areas. The oil helps dissolve the grease and the baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive. Wipe it clean with a damp cloth and your cabinets will look brand new. Struggling with pet hair all over your furniture? Grab a rubber glove. Just put it on, dampen it slightly with water, and wipe your hand across your sofas, chairs, and rugs. The friction and moisture will cause the pet hair to clump together, making it incredibly easy to pick up and throw away. It works better than most vacuums. Cleaning window blinds can be a tedious chore, slat by slat. Speed things up with this clever hack. Wrap 2 microfiber cloths around a pair of kitchen tongs and secure them with rubber bands. Now you can clamp down and clean both sides of a blind slat at the same time. Spray a little all-purpose cleaner on the cloths for extra cleaning power. Don't you hate that dusty, grimy film on your ceiling fans? Here's a mess-free way to clean them. Take an old pillowcase and slide it over one of the fan blades. Press down lightly and pull the pillowcase back towards you. All the dust and dirt will be trapped inside the pillowcase instead of falling all over your floor and furniture. Just shake it out outside and toss it in the wash. Next, let's refresh your garbage disposal and get rid of any funky odors. Freeze some vinegar in an ice cube tray, and for an extra boost, toss in a few small pieces of lemon peel. Once frozen, throw a handful of these vinegar lemon ice cubes down the disposal and run it. The ice sharpens the blades, the vinegar disinfects, and the lemon leaves a fresh, clean scent. And finally, my 10th hack is for keeping your baseboards dust-free for longer. After you've wiped them clean, take a dryer sheet and run it along the top of the baseboards. The anti-static properties of the dryer sheet will repel dust, meaning you won't have to clean them nearly as often. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. And there you have it. 10 game-changing hacks to make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and so much more satisfying. I hope you found these tips helpful. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your life easier. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.